Bend our leg. We're going to reach on over to Miss Heron's side.
Come on over this side, honey.
Yep, that'll go. Turn your head.
Turn your head, honey.
Turn that head, my dear. That'll go. Eyes open. Good job. She's definitely starting to do a little bit there. Now, I'm going to hop up on your bed with you.
Ooh, leg off the bed.
Okay, Miss Maureen. We're going to sit up. Think everything else. Yep. Oh, you ready? Everything else.
Yep, that was good.
Girl.
Oh, yay. Get those eyes open.
This arm over here.
No sleeping.
Hi, sweetie.
There you go.
Hi.
Good job, honey.
Yeah, you want to give Mama